Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to draw a polygon on a JApplet. Polygons are flat shapes. Any shape with three or more flat sides and angles is called polygon. Polygon means many and gons means sides. Okay, so this is a graphics class. Inside the graphics class, there are methods to draw a polygon, and the graphics class is there in the package java.awt. And so these are all the methods inside the graphics class. So you have draw string method, draw polygon, fill polygon. Okay, so you can see friends, like draw line. Okay, so draw polygon method is over here, which is abstract void, and public abstract void draw polygon. So it is taking array of x points and array of y points and the number of points. So you have to give these three as arguments in case if you want to draw a polygon. Okay, so this is the other way of drawing a polygon. So herein you will be passing the instance of the polygon. So you will say polygon P is equal to and new polygon, and then you will pass x, y, and array of x and array of y, and the number of points, and then the instance is passed into the polygon. Okay, so there is another one which is called as polyline, but polyline is a set of connected points. Polyline class is similar to polygon class. The only difference is that polygon forms a closed area. Okay, wherein polyline will form closed as well as open area. Okay, fine. So let us, I opened the notepad wherein I'll be writing the code over here. So to create the polygon, so here I have imported java.awt package because I need the graphics object, and javax.swing.star because I need JApplet. Okay, so herein I'm creating the applet tag. So you people already know I have I kept on telling you why we need this applet code. So there are three mandatory attributes. Code is equal to the dot class file poly dot class, and then the height and width of the applet. Okay, so public class poly extends JApplet, and the life cycle is init, start, paint, stop, and destroy. So I don't have anything to initialize and all that, so I'm not explicitly writing it in the code. I'm writing directly the paint method. So I said public void paint, which is taking graphics object as an argument, and then now I am fixing on the array of x points. So wherein I said int array of x is equal to 10 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 110 comma 140. So y points will be reverse of the x points, so it will be 140 comma 110 comma for the figure that I am drawing. Okay, so it can be different for you can draw regular figures or irregular figures based on the figure that you want to draw. You will be choosing the coordinates for the figure that I am drawing. So it is reverse. Okay, so the coordinates are 10 comma 140, 30 comma 110, 40 comma 50, 50 comma 40, and 110 comma 30, and 140 comma 10. Okay, xy 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 and all that. The number of points are 6, so n is equal to 6. Now I am simply using the method from the graphics class, which is draw polygon, and I'm passing these three. Okay, array of x points, array of y points, and the number of points, which is n. Okay, right. So I said g dot draw polygon. So I compiled it, there are no errors. Now I'm using applet viewer to launch my JApplet. So I'm saying applet viewer poly.java. So friends, you can see that the polygon is drawn. Okay, so with the coordinates 10 comma 140, 30 comma 110, 40 comma 50, 50 comma 40, and 110 comma 30, and 140 comma 10, and the color of the polygon is black. So if you want to change the color of the polygon, you can use the set color method. So I said g dot set color. So I am making the color the line of the polygon to be red. So I said color dot red. So you can see the difference now. So I am recompiling it, and then I am launching my applet. So you can see there is a change in the color of the line over here, polygon line. Okay, so which is red. Okay, so now instead of saying draw polygon, I'll be saying fill polygon. So the fill polygon will be giving me a filled polygon. Okay, so there will be color inside the polygon also. Okay, so I'm again recompiling it, and then I'm launching my applet. So you can see that it is a filled polygon. Okay, and since I set the color to be red, the polygon is filled with red color. Okay, so you can see the shape more clearly. And there is another way of creating a polygon, wherein I'll be creating a polygon instance. So I said polygon class. Okay, so I'm using polygon class. Polygon p is equal to new polygon, and then I am passing the x and y and the number of points into the polygon class, and I will be passing this p into the fill polygon. Okay, so this is another way of creating a polygon. So recompile it and launch the applet. So you can see friends, I have used another method to create a fill polygon. Okay, in the similar way I can use the same kind of code for drawing the polygon also. Like I can pass the instance of the polygon into draw polygon. Okay, instead of passing x, y and n, I am passing the instance of the polygon. So you can see friends, like we have created a polygon here. Okay, so these are the two methods through which you can create